of Standard 9 Economic Unit 4 Agriculture in Tamil Nadu. In today's session, we are going to see the agriculture activities in Tamil Nadu, various crops grown in Tamil Nadu, to analyze the crop productivity in Tamil Nadu. Shall we move on to the section?
Unit 4 Agriculture in Tamil Nadu. Most of the people of Tamil Nadu depends on agriculture at the time of independence and even after 40 years of independence. This situation is being changed in recent years. The number of farmers in Tamil Nadu has got reduced during the last 10 years according to the census 2011 census data. Sectors of people involved in agriculture activities. A major portion of the workers involved in agriculture activities are landless laborers. All the landholders do not have the same amount of land. Many have very little land and very few people own large acres of land. During 2015 and 16, there were 79,38,000 cultivators in Tamil Nadu. But 5 years earlier, there were 81,18,000 cultivators. Similarly, the area under cultivation also reduced from 64.88 lakh hectares to 59.71 lakh hectares. Most of the cultivators in Tamil Nadu are micro farmers who cultivate in an area less than 1 hectare. The area cultivated by these micro farmers is just 36%. Small farmers cultivating 1 to 2 hectares of land covers 14%, while the land cultivated by them is 26%. The total land area under agriculture is shrinking fast, but not only in Tamil Nadu but also throughout India. Types of land usage. 1 crore 30 lakhs and 33,000 hectares. Out of this, only 1/3 of the land is used for agriculture. 17% of the land is used for non-agricultural use. Nearly the same size of land are forests. About 4% of the total land is unusable. 1/10 of the land is barren. So nearly 1/4 of the land is barren, and you have to be concerned of the increasing size of the barren land. Grazing land and cash crops occupy slightly more than 5% of the total land area. The size of the total cropping land in Tamil Nadu is 4,544,000 hectares. Failure or shortage in rainfall lead to the reduction of land usage for cultivation. A small part of this area gives a chance to crop more than once in a year. This land extent was 9 lakh hectare in next year, but was reduced to 6 lakh hectares due to lack of rainfall. In 2012 and 13, out of the total cultivated land, nearly 72% is used for food crops and the remaining for non-food crops. Water resources for agriculture. There are no perennial rivers in Tamil Nadu. It receives the required water from the northeast and southwest monsoon. Canals, lakes, open wells and bore wells also provide water for irrigation. Northwest monsoon is a major source of water for Tamil Nadu. Agriculture in Tamil Nadu is dependent mostly on groundwater. Irrigation and crop types. Crops in Tamil Nadu. All cultivated crops can be classified as food crops and non-food crops. In 2014 and 15, 59% of food crops and 50% of non-food crops were irrigated in Tamil Nadu. The total area of land cultivated in Tamil Nadu was 59 lakhs and 94,000 hectares in 2014 and 15. Out of this, non-food crops were 76%. Paddy cultivation is carried out at a large scale of 30% cultivated land area and other food crops in 12% areas. Millets are cultivated in a very low percentage of area. Sorghum, that is cholam, cultivated in 7% land area, kambu in 1% and ragi in 1.7%. Other millet occupy 6% in the year 2014 and 15. River Kaveri is the third largest river in South India. Its length is 765 km. The dam constructed across Kaveri in Tamilnadu are Mettur Dam and Kallani. Decadal growth in agriculture production. The total quantity of food grains produced in Tamil Nadu in the year 2014 and 15 was 1,27 lakh 35,000 tons. Paddy alone accounted to 80 lakh tons. The contribution of paddy to the total amount of food production is 62%. Maize production was 20%, corn 7%, ragi 3%, and other 3% occupied by black gram. While other food crops contribute a very small amount to the total food production in Tamil Nadu. The yield of productive crops. Production capacity of paddy in Tamil Nadu was 4,429 kg per hectare in 2014 and 15. This capacity was 3,039 kg in 2010 and 11, revealing an increase in productivity. Next to paddy, maize stands second in the production. 2,093 kg per hectare corn, 3,077 kg of wheat, that is kambu, and 3,348 kg of ragi were produced during the same period. Black gram, one of the largest cultivated pulse, produced 645 kg per hectare. Production of sugarcane and groundnut were 107 tons and 2,753 kg per hectare respectively. The production of crops continues to increase. In the past 5 years, the productivity of paddy has increased more than 3 times. The food grains production capacity has increased about 3.5 times 1965 and 66 and 2014 and 15. We find that both productivity and food production in Tamil Nadu continue to increase. However, the area under food grain cultivation has reduced in the same period. Though there was a reduction in the area of production, the total amount of production has been maintained and there is an increase of productivity. Let's move on to recap and evaluation part.